Imagine a new lead is generated in your business, and towards the lead automatically a WhatsApp message with the product catalog is been forwarded. Yes, that is possible with Pabbly Connect. So hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we are going to learn how you can send product catalogs on WhatsApp to Facebook ad leads. Yes. So in this video, we are going to build a connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp in such a way that whenever a new lead is going to be generated through Facebook lead ads, automatically towards the lead, a product catalog message is going to be forwarded. And you do not need any coding and programming skills to create this amazing connection. So if you want to learn the entire process of how you can do that as well, for that I'm going to take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So first of all, let me show you how this amazing automation is going to work in real time. For generating a Facebook lead, I will be using Meta's lead ads testing tool, using which we can generate test lead for Facebook leads. Okay, so I'm going to open the testing tool. This is the tool right here. After coming to the tool, firstly we need to select the page using which we are promoting our ads. For the page, I have created a page in the name of Natural Glow Skincare, so I'm going to select that page from here. Product is going to be lead retrieval, and the form I have created is in the name of Natural Glow Lead Ads form. I'll select it. Then simply I'm going to click on this preview button right over here. And as you can see right over here, this is the form using which I will be generating the test lead. Okay, firstly it is asking for me to select the skin type, which is dry. So I'll select dry right over here. For the first name over here, I'll enter it as new right over here. For the last name, I'll enter it as user01 right over here. Then it is asking for the email address. For the email address, I'll write it as new01@pabblytunes.com. Okay, after that it is asking for the phone number, for which I'll enter a dummy mobile number right here. After entering all the required details, I'll click on this continue button and on the submit button to generate a test lead. Okay, it says thank you for submitting. This means now the test lead is successfully generated. As now this test lead is generated, now I'm going to open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received a new WhatsApp message or not with the product catalog. So let me open the WhatsApp right now. And you can see on my WhatsApp, I have received a new message. This is the product catalog. If I'm going to install it, you can see over here, this is my product catalog. Okay, and you can see I've received the message, hello new user 01. This was the name of the lead. Excited to share our Natural Glow Skincare collection with you. I've attached a PDF catalog so that you can discover products that will make your skin glow and feel amazing. Okay, you can see right away I've automatically received a WhatsApp message with the product catalog as soon as a new lead was generated through Facebook lead ads. Now for that, we are going to create a connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Connect. So what I'm going to do is, on a new tab, I'll browse the website of Pabbly Connect, that is www.pabbly.com/connect. And as soon as I've done that, you can see Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Before we start to create this amazing automation, I want to let you know about Pabbly Community. Pabbly Community is a space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. In this space, you can get help not just from our team members but also the fellow users. Over here in the space, you can ask questions, share your feedback, and find amazing automation tips for your business. So go ahead and join our Pabbly Community today. For that, you will find the link of our community in the description section below. Okay. Now over here on Pabbly Connect's landing page, you will have two options. If you're a new user, that means you do not have a valid Pabbly account, you can sign up for free from here and get 100 free tasks every month to explore more features of Pabbly Connect. But if you're an existing user like I am, you have to just sign into your Pabbly Connect account. Okay, and then Pabbly Connect's all Pabbly apps page is going to appear, where you can see all the applications that Pabbly provides. As I want to use Pabbly Connect, I'm going to click on this Access Now button, and as I've done that, automatically Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. Now to create a new automation inside Pabbly Connect, we have to create a workflow. For that, click on this Create Workflow button on the top right corner, where you will find two options to create your workflow. If you want your workflow to be more modern, faster, or flexible, select the new beta method version from here. But if you want your workflow to have more stable and familiar approach, select the classic version. Okay, I will select the new beta method version from here. Firstly, it is asking for the name of my workflow. So for the name, I will give over here as Send Product Catalogs
catalogs on WhatsApp to Facebook lead ads. Okay, so over here you can see this is the name of my workflow. For the folder, these are the folders from which I will select the workflows folder and click on this create button. You can create multiple folders inside Pabbly Connect according to your requirement as well. Okay, now firstly it is asking for us to set up the trigger inside the workflow. Inside Pabbly Connect workflows, there are two major steps, that is trigger and action. Trigger gives the commands and action follows them simultaneously. That is why there is only one trigger but multiple action. Firstly, we are going to set up our trigger right over here. And for the trigger application, what I'll do is I'll select over here as what Facebook lead ads. I want that as soon as a new lead is generated through Facebook lead ads, this trigger should capture the response of that. Okay. And for the event, I will select it as new lead instant. Then I'm going to click on this connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection from before, but I will create a new one. For that, click on this add new connection button, then click on this connect with Facebook lead ads button. Okay, over here if you want to continue with your Facebook account, you will find the name over here, then click on this continue button. Okay, and as you go to do that, automatically the connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is successfully going to be created. Now why this connection was super easy, because I've already logged into my Facebook account on a new tab. That's why the connection was super easy right over here. Okay, now firstly, we have to build in the connection. It is asking for me to select the page using which we are running our Facebook lead ads campaign. I have created a page in the name of Natural Glow Skincare. So for the page, I'll search for this page right over here and select it. And for the form, I have created a lead ads form in the name of Natural Glow Lead Ads form. So I'll select the form, okay, using which I'm collecting my leads data. After selecting the page and the lead gen form, as I want the simple response, I'll toggle this button on and click on this save and send test request button. As soon as I've done that, it says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Facebook lead ads is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect or not, now let us generate a lead through this. For generating the lead, I will be generating a test lead. And for generating the test lead, again, we'll open the Meta's lead ads testing tool. Okay. So this is my Meta's lead ads testing tool. Over here, you can see it says you can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. Okay. So if you have already generated a test lead using this form, simply you need to delete the existing lead from here. After deleting the lead, you need to refresh the page and the lead is then going to be deleted. Okay. As now the lead is deleted, I have to select the page and the form, then click on this preview form button. After doing that, over here, this is the form that I have created. It is asking for the skin type. Let's suppose I'll select it as combination. Okay. For the first name over here, what I'll do is I'll write over here as best. For the last name, let's suppose I'll write it as lead. For the email over here, I'll write it as best@pabblytudes.com. Okay. After that, over here, it is asking for the phone number, for which I'll enter a dummy mobile number right over here. Okay. After filling in all the required details, I'll click on this continue button and on the submit button to generate a lead. Okay, and now the lead is generated. If I'm going to open my workflow over here and scroll down and wait for a few seconds for the response to be captured, as it takes a little bit of time for the response to be captured over here. So I'll wait over here for a few seconds. And you can see right over here within few seconds the response has been captured over here in my trigger. The skin type was combination. First name best, last name lead, email is best@pabblytudes.com with the dummy mobile number and the date and time of the lead being generated. Okay, with all the other details. So as now this response has been captured over here in my trigger, this means that Facebook lead ads is connected to Pabbly Connect and our trigger setup has now been done. Now towards this lead, I want to send a WhatsApp message. Now I send the WhatsApp message using WhatsApp Cloud API. With the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, I have created this message template. And using this template, I will be forwarding the messages. In this template, I have created a header of a document where I will attach the product catalog. Now over here in this template, if I'm going to show you, I have also added a variable. Variable is a place where you can enter the value to send a personalized WhatsApp message. In this, I have added a single variable 1 right over here, where in front of it and in the end of it, I've added 2 opening and curly brackets. That is going to create over here a variable for the lead's name, so that the name can be added of the lead right over here. That will create a personalized effect. Okay, and I've attached a header of a document. I will be sending a PDF of the product catalog. Okay. So now using this template, let us send the message. Now for that, I'm going to add an action step, in which from action application, I will select over here as WhatsApp Cloud API. An event is going to be send template message new. Okay, then click on this connect button. Over here, if you want, you can select the existing connection from before, but I'll tell you how you can create a new one. Now it is asking for the token, phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID, from where you will find all these details to create the connection. For that, you need to create your own WhatsApp Cloud API setup, where you will find the token, phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. Now you might wonder how you can create your own API setup. For that, simply go towards the hyperlink given here below in the help desk of Pabbly Connect, and you land towards Pabbly Connects, and you will land towards Pabbly forum page, where you will find 2 tutorials of how you can first create the API setup, and as you go to watch this tutorial and create your own setup, how you can generate your permanent token for your business inside WhatsApp Cloud API. Okay, so after seeing all the tutorials, you will create your own API setup. Just copy the details from here and paste over here in the fields. Okay, as I've done that, then I'm going to click on the save button to create the connection, and this is how you build the connection between WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect. Firstly, it is asking for the phone number to whom we want to send a WhatsApp message to. For the data of this field, we are going to map the data. If I'm going to click on this, you can see the previous step. If I'm going to click on it, you can see the response in which you have received the lead's phone number. Now towards this number, we have to send a WhatsApp message. So I will select the data of the lead's phone number from my previous response. As now I've selected this data from my previous response, this data in this field has been mapped. And as I've mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in this previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. For the template, I have created a template in the name of Facebook product catalog. So what I'll do is I'll select this template from here. Language code, I have created a template in the language English. So the language code English is EN. Okay. For the template name, firstly, I'll refresh these pages from here. For the template name, it will be Facebook product catalog itself. Then it says template has a header. Yes, it does, because I have created a document header. Header type is going to be document. So now if the header type is going to be document, we have to enter the media link as well as the file name right over here. To have the media link, we cannot upload the Google Drive or the Dropbox link. So I will be using the PDF document link that I have uploaded in my WordPress account. You can see right over here, this is my product catalog link, right? This is my product catalog link right over here. So I'll copy this link from my WordPress and paste over here in the field. Okay. Then it is asking for the file name. File name over here is going to be what? Product catalog. So I'll enter it right over here. So this is the file name and the link. Okay. I do not require all the other fields, so I'll simply skip the part. Next, for the template has a body, I'll select the option as yes right over here, because it does has a body. This is variable 1 leads name. This is the variable that I've created over here in the template of leads name. Okay. You will find the number of variables that I've added in this similar manner right here. I'll map the date of the first name space the last name of my lead in this field. Okay. Next, it is asking for the template has a button. No, it doesn't. It has no button type also. So I'll select the answers as no. Okay. And simply then you need to click on this save and send test request button. But before that, you can see I've entered a dummy mobile number over here and the receiver's phone number. A WhatsApp message cannot be forwarded to an invalid number. So what I'll do is, in place of this dummy number, I'll enter my mobile number just for the test and then check whether automatically on my WhatsApp I receive the product catalog and the message or not. And strictly remember that this is just an example. You need to map the data of the lead's phone number right over here, not manually write the data, because it will create the data static and we do not want that. Okay, so I'll enter my mobile number right here. After entering my mobile number, I'm going to simply click on this save and send test request button. And we have received a response. That is a positive response. If I'm going to open my WhatsApp, you can see on my WhatsApp I have received a new message. Hello best lead, excited to share our natural glow skincare collection with you. I've attached a PDF catalog so that you can discover products that will make your skin glow and feel amazing. Catalog attached. Have any questions or want personalized recommendations, just reply to this message. I'm here to help you and find your perfect skincare match. Natural glow skincare. Okay, and this is the product catalog. You can see right over here that we have entered. Okay, so now as I've received this WhatsApp message automatically, this means the connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp is now been successfully created. Now whenever a new lead is going to be generated through Facebook lead ads, automatically the trigger Facebook lead ads new lead instead is going to capture the response of that, and towards a lead using WhatsApp Cloud API send template message new or WhatsApp message with the product catalog is going to be forwarded. And in this this manner, you can build a connection between your Facebook lead ads campaign and WhatsApp without need of any coding and programming skills. Now, if you want this workflow link for the reference of your business as well, you will find the shareable link in the description section below. And if you have any questions or doubts while I was creating this workflow, you can ask us any questions in the comment section and we will reply to you as soon as possible. So if you have any ideas for us to create a video on, you can send us all the ideas in the comment section and we'll create a video for you. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button down there.